Welcome back. Continuing the news, the Jamaica Public Service JPS has asked for a rate increase for most customers, but at the same time is asking for a reduction for its biggest customers. The company said that rate reduction is needed to control the level of increases other customers pay. TVJ's Dashan Hendricks reports.
The JPS on May 5 submitted its annual application for a review of the non-fuel rates it charges customers, and if approved, that will see the typical residential and small business customer's electricity bill going up by 2.8%. Large customers would see an increase of 1 to 2%. The Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, says a determination will be made on the matter by August 4. It all comes with the JPS seeking guaranteed non-fuel revenues of just under $51 billion from its customers in the year ahead. However, while proposing an increase for most customers, the JPS has asked the OUR to allow it to create a new rate class for its biggest customers. If approved, customers in that new rate class will see their electricity bills falling by an average of 21%. The JPS says it needs to cut the rate its biggest customers pay to keep them on the grid. Otherwise, it says those customers could defect and set up their own off-grid power supply, and those who remain will be left to pay higher electricity rates as the cost of operating the grid is spread over fewer customers. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.